Man, what's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how to speedrun your way to $100 a day as a copywriter. Now look, I'll just be honest. Most copywriters' goals are somewhere between $5,000 a month and $10,000 a month. But honestly, just with as little as $3,000 every single month, which is $100 a day, most people would be able to change their lives. Most likely be able to drop out of school or quit their day job and actually put their all into this copywriting thing and then scale their income from there. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you how to do in this video. And of course, as always, make sure you stick around to the end because I'm gonna be hooking you up with some free tools and resources that you can use to get to this goal to $100 a day as a copywriter. And guys, right before we get into this, I wanna answer one question that's probably on the top of your mind. And that is, Tyson, how likely actually is it that I can make $100 a day as a copywriter? So to answer that question best for you, I'm not just gonna sit here and try to convince you. No. I'm gonna show you, okay? I'm gonna show you firsthand proof of how many people are out here actually making money with copywriting. So I wanna share with you some of the recent wins from my Discord. So this is Dennis, okay? Dennis. And he says, I took a little break, but now I'm back in the game with a medium W with a 6-figure baby shark today, 1.5K for a sales page. Now guys, if you don't know, a sales page is literally just a page where someone goes to buy a product. It has a headline, it has some points about what's inside. Basically what I'm trying to say is that this sales page might take him a week at most to create. I'm talking a week at most if he really takes his time, okay? 3 or 4 days just for a 1.5K sales page. And of course, this guy, if he actually likes his work, and of course he will, he's gonna be able to do some more projects with him in the future. And of course, he's gonna be making 3K, 4K, and 5K a month with copywriting. Next down here, we have my boy Octavan. As we can see here, Octavan has just closed his first 4-figure month, which is over $1,000. Around 2 months ago, he got his first client. He's already made $2,000 from copywriting. And as you can see here in these actual photos, we can see that he just implemented the free stuff, right, that I've put on my Instagram and on my YouTube. And down here, we also see that I got on a call with him, on a coaching call, and just 1 day later, the methods that I shared with him actually got him onto his next sales call to get him his next client, okay? And then we got a couple more here. So then here we have my boy, Leo. As we can see, Leo says a huge win today, boys. Just closed the second client this month. 2 big Swedish solar cell companies looking to rack in about 3 to 4K a month with commission. 14-year-old out here making more than my teacher. He just had to casually flex on the teacher that he's probably making more than him at only 14 years old. This dude probably ain't even in high school. It's crazy. It's absolutely nuts. And I want to show you guys this one specifically because I know there's going to be so many comments. I get so many comments every single day. Tyson, but I'm 14 years old. I'm 15 years old, 16, 17, 18 years old. Can I still make money with copywriting? The answer is yes. Once you get on a sales call with a proposal of a client, they're not going to be scared off just because you're young. If anything, they're going to respect you just a little bit more because they probably have nieces and nephews that are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 years old, and they're over there playing Fortnite, and they're going to have extra respect for you because you're actually out here trying to get it, and you're going to make them essentially want to give you a chance, okay? And next up, we have Benjamin. He said, today I've officially hit a new milestone. I've made in the total of December 3K pounds, which is around $3,267. From now on, I'll only post when I make 2 to 3K a month and so on. Keep grinding. The glory belongs to God. And as we can see there, his big win. Now, I wanted to show you guys that to actually inspire you and prove without a shadow of a doubt that if you want to make $100 a month or more with copywriting, it is 100% possible, and people are doing it in the Discord all of the time. But in case you don't know, what really is copywriting and how does it work? I mean, how are people going to pay me $100 a day just to write them some emails or just write them some words? I mean, it just doesn't really make sense. And the biggest reason why it doesn't make sense is because most people come at it with the wrong mindset. They don't understand work-based pricing versus value-based pricing. So what is the difference? Well, when we're talking about work-based pricing, which is what most people are used to, you get paid for every hour of your time, okay? But with copywriting, you get paid basically a commission of all the money that you make that company. And it is very, very, very easy for a company to make thousands of dollars just from one email. Don't believe me? Well, here's kind of how it works. Let's say you write this one email promoting their product, okay? And this product email goes out to 5,000 people. and only 1% of people buy. That's not very much, but still, that's 50 people. 50 people at $100, that's $5,000 just for one email. Your one email just made them $5,000. You making $100 to $200 for that one email is not a super far out concept. And that is essentially how copywriting works and why it's so valuable. So what are some things that you could actually write for these companies? Well, you can write them emails, you can write them sales pages, you can write them landing pages, even social media posts. Essentially, any piece of content that you can use to go ahead and sell or promote some of their products or promote some of their content. And possibly the best part about all copywriting is that all you need to do is write for them one time, and that one piece of copy that you have written them can make them money over and over and over again. They can take that email and send it again 1 or 3 months later, or they can take that email and they can translate it into an Instagram post, or they can translate it into something on their sales page. Guys, all of this copy that you're going to be creating for these clients are essentially digital assets, because they can use them to make the money over and over and over again. And not only can you get paid per project with copywriting, but you can also set up what's called a revenue share deal. A revenue share deal is essentially when you get a percentage or a royalty of every one of those sales that sales page or those emails actually generate that business. So that means if you wrote somebody a sales page or an email months ago, and that email or sales page is making them on approximately $1,000 every single day, and you get even just 1% of that, that's still $10 every single day, which at the end of the month is an extra $300 for you, and you only made that email long ago, and that's just for one email. Guys, if you make a bunch of those, or you get a higher commission split off of any of those, then that means that you, my friend, are going to be earning passive income from the copy that you've already created. But of course, now a lot of people are asking, okay, so I get this whole copywriting thing, but of course, how do I get clients? How do I actually find these people to pay me this much? And how do I get them to pay me this much? I think what comes into most people's minds when they think about something like this is Fiverr or Upwork or any of these freelance websites. And the truth is that these freelance websites really have a bad rap because everybody on there is just price shopping. They're just looking to get the lowest prices possible. And there's always going to be somebody out there in the Philippines or in India who's able to undercut you. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that these freelance platforms are off limits, but I haven't seen them be very successful in my experience. So what I'm going to do is actually go onto these freelancing websites. I'm going to do everything that I can. I'm going to buy the premium package, do all the ads, everything possible to actually get deals and see if these freelancing websites are actually a viable option. If you want to see that video, it's actually going to be coming up on my channel sometime around next week. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss it. But as for things that I do know for a fact work to get copywriting clients is, for one, cold outreach, and for two, applying to job boards. Now, applying to things like job boards can be quite difficult because, of course, if you're just starting out, you're not going to have any experience. And there are going to be some of those companies who are like, yeah, we want somebody with a 4-year degree, 5 years of on-the-job experience, and we're going to pay you $2,000 a month. You're just always going to come across people like that. But the fact of the matter is that it can actually be a good spot for you to start, because sometimes there are chief copywriters working for these companies who are willing to train you while you get paid. So essentially, you can learn and earn at the same time. Last but not least, possibly the best, quickest, and fastest route to actually getting copywriting clients is by doing cold outreach. This is pretty much where you send business owners a proposal of you working for them or writing copy for them or making more money for them in some sort of fashion. So as for how to actually go ahead and do these outreach strategies, I am not going to give you a full course in this video, but what I am going to do is give you a full free resource that you can download in the link in the description that's going to show you the top outreach methods so that you can actually get copywriting clients. Of course, now we need to answer the question, what does someone actually need to do to make this $100 a day? I mean, how much work does it take and how possible is it? And to be honest, making $100 a day or $3,000 a month really isn't that difficult. I mean, it's not going to require you to do a whole bunch of work. The reason being is because you can sell emails for $100 to $300 each. So all it really takes is for you to write around 5 to 7 emails a week for clients. Or perhaps if you're making sales pages, I mean, as we saw there, Dennis sold his sales page for $1.5K. So that's 2 sales pages in the span of a month if you really want to make $100 a day. you can make $100 a day while only really working a couple hours a week. Sure, this might sound too good to be true, but the fact of the matter is that because it just sounds so sweet, there are a lot of people who want to do it. It ain't super easy, but I do want to reassure you that the juice is worth the squeeze. All it really takes is to learn, implement, and study some high quality information. And if you're really willing to put in the work, there is no reason why you can't be making $100 a day in the next couple of months. So if you want to learn more about how to get started with copywriting so that you can make $100 a day from home, only working a couple of hours a week, guys, go down in the description and join the free Discord server that I have linked below so that you can actually talk to other copywriters and mastermind on how to get clients and how to make more money. Next, I have some free courses on screen right now that you can click to learn more about writing copy and getting copywriting clients. Anyways, that's it for now. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.